Are you working with non-porous substrates, such as metals, plastics, coatings and lacquers? The new user and environmentally friendly SABA Activator 9707 is suitable for use as an adhesion promoter. SABA Activator 9707 does not contain isocyanates or other CMR substances, can be used for cleaning and activation in one step, and has a short evaporation time. SABA Activator 9707 is the newest addition to our redesigned pre-treatment product line of primers, activators and cleaners. Our redesign will help you better recognize the differences and work more efficiently. From now on, each product will have a strong name and color identification, so no confusion during production. The contents of the packaging is printed clearly along with the shelf life of the product. Safety instructions are displayed, including a link to our online product and safety data sheets with even more valuable details available. Check saba-adhesives.com for more information.